Hi, Tony Fennell, Mercedes-Benz Scarborough, Maine. Want to show you guys the stock unit MN156567. It's a MXCC46 with the Knapheide body on it, utility body. So that's a Mercedes-Benz 3500 heavy-duty cab chassis cutaway, 144 wheelbase with a 6-cylinder diesel engine. Happens to be Arctic white, and it has this beautiful 3-pointed chrome star. A nice step up here on the bumper. So jump in your engine compartment and take a look around. Continental all-season tires in the Knapheide body. Look at all these drawers right here on the sides. Whoops, that are lockable. And I'm gonna walk through to the back as the camera goes around the back. Let me just walk through, because I want to show you can walk right through this van. So you can walk right through like that. Here's a view of inside the box, and there's a partition wall with the door. And this has a nice camera up above. You can see the clearance lights and that humongous rear step bumper. Same drawers on this side. And so we'll get the camera in. I'm going to walk through the back as the camera goes in. Well, actually, I'll save that. But you can see how it's a cutaway, and that has a partition wall with the door in it. So there's a nice fabric interior, the multimedia MBUX touchscreen, the overhead control panel, package trays. Let's get the hood open. So the prop rod is right here. Antifreeze 6 gallons DEF goes right here. The positive jump for your battery. Negative, the battery's underneath your feet from your driver's position area. Windshield washer fluid goes here. Brake fluid, oil filter cover, oil fill cap. Fresh air goes through the hood, filtered for you. And the engine air cleaner, the snorkel tube's about this high, so stay below that for rivers and streams. Tony Fennell, Mercedes-Benz Scarborough. Give me a call, 978-764-1232.